Here's a certified 2020 Mercedes-Benz GLE. This GLE is reassuring when the weather turns and rewarding when the road turns. And get ready for an impressive combination of features. Intercooled turbo inline 4-cylinder engine. Automatic with driver control suspension management. Engine auto stop-start feature. Hands-free liftgate. Integrated navigation system with voice activation. Wi-Fi hotspot. Dual-zone climate control. Streaming audio. Power tilting steering column. Memory exterior door mirror settings. And automatic transmission. Mercedes-Benz keeps setting the standard and driving forward. They say a journey of 1,000 miles begins with one step. Well, in this case, it begins with a test drive. Start your next adventure today.
Call us at 425-673-0505, online at mblynnwood.com, or stop in and visit at 17800 Highway 99,